Hi guys, should I take an unpaid internship? This is also a common question because in this part of the world, people are learning, people are skilled, they just need that opportunity. You just want to, you want to get it done. So you are willing to do that even without being paid. What I'm going to say right here is this. I believe internships should be paid irrespective of what you are doing. I mean, you're actually adding value to the organization. So why should it not be paid? No matter how little it is, you should be paid to show that your skill today is valuable. It has monetary value, even though what you are being paid is not the total compensation for your skill. So you see that internship as, okay, what I'm being paid, evaluate what you are learning. Am I learning, okay, what I'm learning, if I'm to pay for it, could it be maybe 100,000 naira, Nigerian naira now, in a month, and I'm being paid 60,000 naira. Okay, let me assume that every month I'm being paid 160,000 naira, but I'm giving back 100,000 to the organization so that I can learn what I'm learning from them. You should see that two ways. So even though you are being paid something little, but you must be paid because, I mean, you have this skill and it's valuable. Then you must be sure that you're also actually getting the best from that organization, making sure you learn from each day, each and every day, and those projects assigned to you, you learn from them as well. That way you can see the win-win. But if you are not doing that, you're just maximizing the using the time for yourself, thinking you have free time, and you are not using that to learn from them, you are only charging yourself and nothing less than that, right?